Here is an exact copy of your previous message. The United States has the world's largest economy, with a gross domestic product, GDP, exceeding $25 trillion. Here's a deeper look into why the US economy is so dominant. 1. Key sectors driving the US economy. Technology. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon drive innovation. Finance. Wall Street, home to the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and Nasdaq, is the global financial hub. Manufacturing. The US produces everything from automobiles, Ford, Tesla, to aerospace technology, Boeing, SpaceX. Healthcare and pharmaceuticals. The US leads in medical research and drug development, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson. Energy. The US is the world's largest producer of oil and natural gas. 2. Global influence. The US dollar is the world's primary reserve currency, used in international trade and finance. Many countries trade in US dollars, making it a dominant force in global economics. 3. Strong consumer market. With over 330 million people, the US has one of the largest and most dynamic consumer markets. High purchasing power and spending habits fuel domestic and international businesses. 4. Innovation and entrepreneurship. Silicon Valley is home to the world's most successful startups and tech giants. The US has the highest number of billionaires, thanks to its business-friendly environment. 5. Trade and exports. The US exports goods like aircraft, technology, oil, and agricultural products. It has major trade relationships with China, Canada, Mexico, the European Union, and Japan. 6. Government and policies. The Federal Reserve, US Central Bank, controls monetary policy, stabilizing inflation and employment. The US government supports innovation through research funding and infrastructure development. 7. Challenges. Despite being the largest economy, the US faces challenges like debt. The national debt exceeds $30 trillion. Income inequality. Wealth is concentrated among the top earners. Trade deficit. The US imports more than it exports. Would you like details on any specific area, such as the history of the US economy or its impact on global markets?